Hey guys, Swapnil here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be taking a closer look and unboxing the Portronics Luxcell MagClick 10,000 mAh power bank. So I got this recently from Amazon during the Prime Day sale for 1400 rupees. Typically it sells for slightly above 1600 rupees. Again, I'll leave a link to it in the description for the updated pricing. And there are actually two variants. So this one actually has a display on the power bank itself, and hence it costs slightly more. There's another variant which is slightly cheaper without the actual display, which sells for 100 rupees lesser. So I think it's worth spending 100 rupees to get this one in order to get the display, but we'll see how the product actually looks like. So this is the box itself. We have an illustration of the device itself up front, 22.5 watt fast charging indication. We also have some attributes: 15 watt wireless charging output, display, type C, type A. On the back we have the manufacturer information, and the MRP here is 3000, but as I mentioned, it's available for 1400 rupees. Quickly go ahead and take the power bank out. This is the power bank. We also get a USB type C cable. So this is a USB-C to C cable, not of very high quality. It is thick, but does not feel very high quality. Anyways, we'll keep these things beside and we'll take a look at the power bank itself. Here is the power bank. I think we also have some document here. This is the user manual. It tells us about the buttons and the controls, do's and don'ts, and we also have a warranty registration card. Fair enough, we'll keep these to the side as well. And this is the power bank. This feels really very well built, completely made out of metal, and this does feel very compact, which is great. And we'll go ahead and remove this plastic here, and this is where we have the Portronics logo, the power bank plus, and perhaps if I click on the button, here is the battery percentage, 55% out of the box, the type C port, the type A port, and obviously the magnetic part for the MagSafe. So I'll just go ahead and use my iPhone 15 Pro Max here to check for the MagSafe compatibility. So it does get recognized as an official MagSafe accessory, which is amazing, because there are certain power banks, MagSafe power banks, which do not get recognized as official MagSafe accessory. So that is really good. On the back, this is how it looks. It definitely does make your phone a bit, or quite a bit thicker actually. Also, another case is that I am using a case which is actually very thick, but of course that will depend upon you. You can also use it directly on the phone itself, but I'm not sure if it might scratch your device. This is how it looks on the back. I'll quickly also showcase the charging capability through a cable. I'll be right back. So I have a USB type C to type C cable right here, and I'll quickly show this to you. So it does also charge similarly via type C. Of course, the wireless charging part is capped at 15 watts, and the wireless charging is capped at 22.5 watts. The wire charging is capped at 22.5 watts, the wireless is at 15 watts. So that is definitely the difference there. Otherwise, if you have some sort of an accessory which you want to charge wirelessly, you can also place it directly on top of this and you'll be able to charge it. I'll quickly grab my AirPods Pro. So if you have a wireless accessory which you want to charge directly, you can also place it on top, and the same will start charging. As you can see a red light right over here, and it has started charging. So that is definitely one of the advantages, that you don't necessarily have to have a MagSafe accessory. Any Qi wireless charger compatible device can also get charged to this particular power bank, which is amazing. Overall, so this was the Portronics Luxcell MagClick 10,000 mAh power bank. I'll leave a Best Buy link in the description to Amazon. Do use that link, as it does help the channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any doubts, do let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe.